He worked very little. He ate even less. And the church's crucifix remained unfinished. Years passed. The world moved on. But Geppetto did not. And this is where I come in. You see, I was a writer, and for years I've been looking for the ideal conditions to set my illustrious, fascinating life story to paper. Until at long last, I found it. My son. Here, I could write my memoirs, and what a tale it would be. I had lived in a barrister's fireplace in Sardinia, sailed on the Adriatic in a fishing boat, nested one Norwegian winter with an acclaimed sculptor. Stridulations of My Youth by Sebastian J.
Basic.
Love ko yan. Love na love ko yan.
Di mo ko love.
Si Liwin.
Alam mo, hindi si baby love.
Ang kano.
Yan ka na. Wari ka lang. Wag na.
Saan ba nalaglag?
Dun sa may tindahan, kanal.
Huwag na, magkakanal pa si Tutut. Tutut, wag na, mabaho yun.
Wag na.
Papakita na papa mo.